This video sponsored Temu is an online shopping store that offers a massive variety of products at very low prices. They seriously have just about any product you can imagine. They've sent me some items that I picked out, and I mainly picked out woodworking related things because I figured that would be a good way to show off the quality of their products, and I was not let down. You'll see me using some of the products throughout this video. I've actually ordered things from Temu before this sponsorship, and I've never been disappointed with any of the items. Temu offers free shipping, and shipping times have always been under a week for me. Next time you're trying to order anything online, I seriously recommend at least looking on Temu first, because chances are you'll find it there for so much cheaper than you could find anywhere else. Use the link in the description box to download the Temu app and you'll get a $100 coupon bundle for free. Or you can use my code DKF2926 on the Temu app to claim it.